I'm Dudo. I'm Amber. I'm Bubble. And this is Funny English Toon. Learn English the fun way.
Hello everyone, I am Emma. Your English sounds pretty rough.
My English is bad. Don't say my English is bad. Better to say, I'm still polishing my skills. You should just give up.
I am trying.
Don't say I am trying. Better to say, I prefer to stay determined.
We're hosting an English speaking challenge tomorrow. English speaking tomorrow. I've got this in the bag.
Why are you working so hard? Work hard to achieve. Don't say work hard to achieve. Better to say, I'm striving for improvement. Mistakes don't discourage me. They help me grow. I'm absolutely confident. I'm absolutely confident. Don't get overconfident.
The first participant is Emma Wilson.
Good morning, everyone. My mind just went blank.
Say something, Emma.
I forgot. Our next participant is Bubble George. Good morning. I may not be perfect, but I'm persistent. Every setback is a valuable lesson.
Well done. Outstanding performance, Ryan.
I underestimated you.
That's all right.
How did you improve so much?
Consistency beats talent when talent stops working.
Subscribe to our channel. Like this video. See you in the next video. Bye!